Oops, that was the ref. Sorry, ref. Whoa, dude, guys, no. Hey, hey, none of that.
What's up, everybody? Today we're at Stryker, getting started. We're going to play King of the Hill. Looks like a lot of my teammates are rushing towards the right. I'm going to take the left-hand side, try to defend that area, and push hard, try to get out as many guys as I can. Later on, try to take the hill. I can see a lot of the enemy pushing hard against the left side, so I try to take a closer look. I decided to play with my shotgun and pistol combo right now, so I'm going to have to get up close. I can't seem to quite get this guy with my shotgun because of the 3-bullet spread that it has. I'm going to whip out my pistol and try to get a more precise shot. So my objective right now is just to push as hard as I can against the enemy and allow my teammates to have a chance of getting the hill. You know, it's hard to capture it on the video, but playing with the shotgun is a lot of fun. It is a short-range weapon, so you gotta get closer and a little bit more tactical with it. Carry extra shells, and it's fun. I don't think I got any kills with the shotgun today, but I've definitely had my good games with it before. So I'll continue using it every now and then. Notice how my teammate and I were leapfrogging forward, covering each other as we go. Note to self, if I had peeked around the corner right then with my weapon at the ready, I would have been able to get that guy out. After getting back from respawn, I decided to push the right side of the field and see if I can help my teammates capture the hill.
Hey, we need one more in here. I'm coming. Hey, you're good. You got a shot? Yeah, it's close range.
Alright, I made it into the hill and it looks like my teammates have captured it and they just need one more guy to hold it. So there needs to be 5 guys there total for a total amount of time, and the ref will time us, and then the game's over. Let's hope that we can hold it until the game. Alright, new game here. We're playing team elimination, unlimited respawns, and we're just going to keep playing until the ref calls it. So I'm going to rush forward as fast as I can here to get a good position that I can have a tactical advantage against my enemies.
Right, somebody moved up to the left right here. Oops, that was the ref. Sorry, ref.
Just a little bit of advice. Don't shoot the ref. I don't know if I hit him or not. He didn't seem to flinch, but then again, the refs get shot a lot in the game, so I've heard. But also, he wasn't wearing any kind of reflective vest or anything.
Hit! Hit! Hit!
I can see a buddy of mine up there ahead and a lot of enemy coming up and encroaching on his territory. I try to help him out, but I just can't hit them. I figure there's at least 3 to 5 enemy behind that barrier right there. So I think it's probably best to go kamikaze.
Hit! Yeah, nice shot, dude. Hit!
We are getting slaughtered this game.
Hit.
We have a lot of players out today, probably at least 20 versus 20, or maybe even 25 versus 25. It's pretty typical for this field, and they are pushing us hard right now into our respawn territory.
You got hit, right? Are you serious? Whoa, dude, guys, no. Hey, none of that. None of that.
My father instincts kicked in just for a second there, and I felt like I was talking to my toddlers. Look, this happens every now and then. You get a little bit of drama in the airsoft field, you get really into the game, but you gotta remember, it's just a game. Don't get overworked. The opposing team is pushing us so hard right now. They're encroaching on our respawn territory. We need to push them back and fast. I might need to try that kamikaze move again, because I need to get a few guys out. What just happened there?
I hit you. Did I not hit you? You're in our respawn.
This guy just turns the corner and is like, da 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 da, as if he's gonna get out as many of us as he could. I explained in one of my previous videos about the MED rule, where you say bang bang instead of shooting someone when you're super close to them. This field doesn't have those rules, so maybe some people are just super used to using it. Anyways, after rewatching this gameplay, I realized I could have been a little bit more sportsmanlike. Don't try to call other people's hits, just be a good sport about it. I can work on that myself. Thanks for watching my video, everyone. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.